Um, I met a guy some time ago, like last 2 years, 2023. So we've been talking for a while. He's from Enugu State. I met him on a dating app. So we've been talking for a while. Everything was going on well until 2024. He came back to visit. So everything was going on fine until that evening. The mother called me. His mother called me and he told me that the son is still married, while the son told me that he's divorced. He told me that he's still married, that I should leave the son alone, that he's lying to me. So at that point, I was frustrated, but I left. I left the place the next day. But him, he was still telling me that the mother is lying to me. Who am I supposed to believe? I'm supposed to believe him, not the mother. That the mother is just saying that because I am not Igbo. There's a reason why the mother is just saying because I'm not Igbo. So at this point, I didn't know who to believe, if I was to believe him or the mother. So he was still talking to me, though I wasn't giving him that attention anymore. So when he went back, he returned back to the States. I found out I was pregnant. I called him and I told him I was pregnant. He told me he does not know what I'm talking about. He said he doesn't know what I'm talking about, that he's not interested in what I'm talking about. Why would I tell him I'm pregnant? So I keep on pressuring him, what do you want me to do about it? I keep on talking to him, but he didn't want to respond. I went further calling the brother, the only person I was close in his family. I called the brother. The brother told me he's going to talk to him. Later, the brother called me back and told me that he said that he's not interested. I should stop talking about anything like that. Then I wanted to have a baby. I went further to call the mother. I called the mother. I said, Mom, I know you advised me to leave your son, but it's not my fault that it happened like this. What am I supposed to do about it? He said she's not interested in what I'm saying. That she told me to leave the son alone. I should better stay away from the son. It's my last advice. So I stopped talking to him. I was frustrated. I stopped talking to him.
You met this guy on dating app.
Yes, I met him on dating app.
What is the name of this app?
Tag.
Tag. Okay.
Yeah.
And you were in Nigeria, right? And it's in America.
Yes.
And when he came back, you guys started dating.
Yes. We were dating already. Then
Oh, you
God
guys
was
were already
just,
dating, like physical. It became physical when he came back.
yes.
And while you were dating, his mother told you to leave him.
Yes. That he's still married is
That
lying to me.
he's still married. But you felt like the mother is trying to, but he told you probably, or maybe you felt because you're not an Igbo girl. That's why she's trying to push you away.
The one that told me that is because I'm not Igbo. That's why she's trying to push me away.
So she said to you, the mother said to you, please leave the son alone that he's got a woman. But the son is telling you that the mother is just saying all those things because you're not Igbo.
Yes.
Now, I make some comments in my live stream, not attacking you, but to those listening. If a mother of the man you want to marry, they tell you make you leave that boy, leave him. If I'm being honest, if mother they tell you direct, leave my son, leave her, leave. Whether she mean well or not, if I be you, I go leave. I will run away. What is bad is bad. But I'm so proud of this woman that she said to you when you get pregnant, please don't disturb me. I'm so proud of her. That's aside. So this guy, while you were dating, how did he come about this 6 million naira?
I don't know. Sometimes he just sends me money. Maybe money for feeding, take this and feed yourself, take this for the family, stuff like that.
So
So,
it was when he left back to the United States that you realized you were pregnant.
yes. After
When
like
you
a
told,
month.
and then when you told him that you were pregnant, what did he say?
He said he doesn't know what I'm talking about and he's not interested.
If I'm not mistaken, you're 26, right?
I'll be 26 by October.
6 October. Okay. Wait, so you met this guy on a dating app. How long were you guys together from long distance relationship?
Since
Because
2023, we've been talking throughout 2023, 2024, around June, he came back.
and how long did he stay when he came back?
We stayed for 2 weeks.
Since then, you've not seen him again.
Yes.
I I listened and I just screamed, "Hey!" I listened and I screamed, "Hey!" But I'm sure you know that you made mistakes, right? You made some mistakes because you were just in love. You're just in love. Because it's crazy. It's crazy how we meet someone online and they just came back for 2 weeks, got us pregnant, and they're back to where they come from. It's quite crazy. It's real crazy. This guy probably he just came to Nigeria to just because some men do it, some not all. He just came to Nigeria to just hit, go. January this year, one girl come up my live stream. They talk say one guy give am belle. I tell her say where the guy from. He say the guy came from Ghana. How long have you been talking to the guy? I started talking to him in February on Facebook, and he came from Ghana. He said to me he does not want to go to his village. Then we lodged in a hotel for 2 weeks. After 2 weeks, he left. I'm looking for him. I'm pregnant for him. A lot of guys wey dey abroad go just come Naija, stay 2 weeks, give girl belle, they go. Thank God. Una dey take risk for Nigeria o. Una dey take risk, man. Una dey take risk. Una dey take risk. Like some people are not afraid of STI, HPV, PDP, syphilis, I mean syphilis, gonorrhea, HIV/AIDS, hepatitis B. People are not scared of sexual transmitted diseases. Sometimes if they do me like this, if they do me like say some of our sisters know they use ear or hear say person dey obodo oyibo. But how come you lost yourself? You're such a beautiful girl. Una go just find finish, una go let person wey no get sense. This person wey dey talk now, him fit no even fine. Una go just find finish, una go just let person wey no reach anywhere just come into your life and come into your life from nowhere and use and make and want to make your life miserable. I dey take risk for this Nigeria, especially my sisters within Nigeria. Well, a lot of them dey take risk. I'm not talking to you, Wealth Ibangai. This you're not the first person telling me stories like this. I'm talking to others where they hear me and some way go still in Nigeria. And if we talk these things, some know they hear them. Because a man lives in abroad does not make him immune to STI. Because a man lives in overseas does not make him immune to STI. Anytime we person come back from abroad, no contraceptive, no protection. I could just dey take risk. I could just dey take risk. I'm not even talking about your pregnancy here. I'm talking about the fact that you guys had to let someone who came from abroad just to go in there without protection, and he just came there for 2 weeks. Majority of the times, the girls we don't come tell their story here, say person come back from abroad, knock them. 2 weeks. Someone you've never met in life. Someone you've never met in life, a stranger that you've never met in life, you met them under 2 weeks and boom, when they take risk. There was a day a girl came up here and told her HIV story. After that live stream, I received nothing less than 30 messages from people with HIV/AIDS. And now these were people who were bold enough to tell me they get HIV. If you don't have, if until HIV catch you, go no, people live with it anyway. But that doesn't mean we should be careless. People they take risk, oh. People they take risk. Person where I know, him just come. I open leg here one off lights. I they talk this thing steady. Let me say it again. You get guy why I know. I not go call him my guy again. This guy, I don't talk him here. This guy, just because of saying get American passport. I mean no disrespect, but some of our sisters, especially the one within Nigeria, Some of una, I'm sorry, but I need to say this because it is the truth. Some of una, even my sisters within Nigeria, some of una they too lose. Too lose. I don't know if it's because of the hardship. I don't know if it's because of poverty. Some of una they too lose. A guy was telling me that just because he has American passports, in the knack people fiance, in the knack people wife, in the just because of they see that in American passport. And this guy I'm talking about, in there like Adaka, he looks like gorilla. He looks like gorilla. They go to say, man, whoa, this guy Jolon Job, this guy is what he does not look good. But just because he has his passport, American passport, some Nigerian girls when you go talk to, once we say they don't wear engagement ring, he go knock them. And the worst thing be say, he go send picture for WhatsApp group. Say Atagomunka, Atagomunka, Atagomunka. It's not even just Nigerian things. Some of our sisters in Africa, sub-Saharan Africa, you people are too loose. You guys, some of you are too loose. When I know they ask on herself, why is it hard for some of them to find the Nigerian woman where they are? When I know they ask on herself, why is it difficult for some of them not to find Nigerian women where they are? It is because the Nigerian women where they are know them very well. As much as I blame some of these guys coming back to Nigeria to take advantage of some of you, but the fact that they did not force you guys, it you lose. It's real sad. I just want to make I speak my heart. It is very sad. Just because of say someone the one with the invest me, say this girl came here the other day. She was bold. She get morale. The time he say she fell in love with a guy that was coming back from Ghana. Not be even Canada, Ghana. Because of saying go enter flight come Nigeria, Ghana, abroad Canada. He give her belly. And I'm not sure that guy was coming from Ghana. That guy they saw way of Lagos. These days, what is trending be say some guys where they Nigeria go to tell some Nigerian women say they outside Nigeria. Some guys where they Nigeria don't say some of our sisters they too loose for people where they are abroad. That even when they're in Nigeria, they go to tell them say they know they Nigeria. Telling you the facts. I'm telling you the facts. Some of our brothers where they Nigeria has seen how loose some of our sisters are. They go tell them say they know they Nigeria.